205 Oakstone Drive. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Just a beautiful house, right at 3,000 square feet. We've got a nice large piece of property here, over an acre. In fact, if you can see the grass over here on this side, they had that cleaned out very nice and created a nice little park-like area. Actually, they call it Scott Park. So we've got that property line goes all the way over to the ravine. So you've got a lot of privacy here. And in fact, because they have this extra area over here and it's not behind the gate of Oakstone, they even have the ability to store like a trailer on the side. They got approval, from the HOA for that. And you'll see to the side, they also have a nice storage building that matches up with the house here. Now let's talk about this home. What they have done since they purchased this house is they've spent over $200,000 just in renovations for this place. And if you look at the outside, you've got the nice hardy board, you've got the rock. The hardy board, everything was completely repainted. They have a timber tech deck system on the back side. They brought in professional landscaping, a berm, nice plantings and different things. But the biggest thing they've done is they've been able to get approval for a covered dock. It is an ironwood dock with a lift. It's got a nice walkway going all the way down to the water, so you'll see that. But other little things, like they've had all the windows tinted, solar tint, so that makes it more energy efficient. And then there are just a number of changes on the inside of the house, but these are all things that they have done since they've opened the house, or since they purchased the house. There's a brand new HVAC system for the upstairs that was installed in 2018. There are upgrades there as well. They've got new vanities, mirrors, cabinets, and all things like that. It's just 3 pages of things that they've done that you'll see as we walk into the home. So let's take a look, head inside, see this great layout. You got a fantastic view and just a real gentle slope down to the dock as well. So let's go on inside and check it out. Alright, come on in. One thing you'll notice about this home, we've got hardwood floors, very nice looking. We've got an office over here to the left as we come in. This also could be, if you really needed an extra room to put a bed in, or maybe just a sleeper sofa, something like that. If you didn't want to set up this office, that would be another place you could put people. Half bath over there just off the kitchen. You can see kitchen countertops and whatnot, but the biggest thing I think is the view. They've got these French door, beautiful windows. Just when you walk in, that view just really pops. Got a great backyard area. Grass, as we said, it was professionally landscaped. And check out this deck. Timber Tech. Got the gas fireplace right there, which is fantastic. A couple of ceiling fans and TV set up out here. It's a great place to really enjoy this view. Look how calm that water is. In fact, what's also nice about this, you've got a gas station on the water just right up that cove that way, so it's very convenient. And again, we look around to the side, you can see the access over here to the shed, which is great for storage, or maybe if you wanted to use that as a workshop. We'll get back to this when we come out, but you also have a nice patio that they've done downstairs, and there's nice rock boulders. Let's head back inside of the house. Go over here to the master suite. Again, new fans. Got the great fireplace here, gas fireplace set up. Come on into the master suite. Carpet in here. Got new flooring. This bathroom was really completely redone. Got a large walk-in closet, which everybody loves. Granite countertops. I like the color of the fixtures as well. Beautiful shower. This house is immaculate. And what you gotta love too about this room is, again, these big glass windows that really highlight that view. Alright, let's head towards the kitchen. Got a nice breakfast area over here. Again, you just notice how much glass we have and access from the side door back out to the deck. Again, everything about this, from the master bedroom, living room, kitchen area, all just, gives you this big time view. New appliances in here, as you can see. Stainless steel. Custom cabinets. Piece here that fits right into that section. Again, we talked about the half bathroom. Let's step over here into the laundry room. New LG washer dryer. And little things like, like this. These pull out and you can hang your laundry and things on that. Step in here to the garage. We've got new painted walls in here. Got some more storage. You'll see the central vac system that has also been added into this home, one of the upgrades that we talked about. Two-car garage with side entry. Alright, let's head upstairs, check out all the rooms up there. Upstairs we've got really 4 bedrooms up here. We've got 2 on each side. Got a great look downstairs to the living room area. Let's come to the right first. Full bath here, tub shower combo, hard surface again on the countertops, tile floors. Nice bedroom here. Got closet here to the left, and then they've also got a nice storage area, but also could be more closet space. And again, this was something that was redone. They bought the house and you even have a nice lake view on that side of the room. Smooth ceiling fans, carpet in here. And we'll come back to this room, which also could be another bedroom. This would make a great bunk room for the kids, or even if you wanted to have a pool table or something, make this a game room, because you still have 4 other bedrooms in this home. So there's a couple options here that you could do, but I could definitely see this kind of as a kids room. Closet here, and then you'll notice they've got storage on each side. You open the door, the lights come on. They also have it carpeted. Very, very convenient to store things. So let's go down the left side here. Two more bedrooms on this side. This one over to the left is being used as an office, but let's step in there. In closets, side-by-side doors, high ceilings, smooth ceiling fan. And again, this is a good sized room. Certainly master bedroom, bunks, whatever you want to have fit in there, no problem. Bathroom, same type of deal here. You've got the tile floor, hard surface tops, tub shower combo. And then the last bedroom, nice closet over here. Closet area. Got a view to the side. You can even see the lake on this side where it comes into the cove. So nice as well. All right, let's head outside. We talked about the beautiful landscaping out there. They've also got a sprinkler system in place. And a great dock. So we'll head down there and check that out. One of my favorite parts of the house is the outside. Well, you talk about extensive work, and when they, bought this property, again, there was just a platform dock in place, and you certainly didn't have any of this. So again, the TimberTech deck, which, just beautiful, easy to clean. Again, the shed over there, they created all of this concrete patio out here with a little fireplace, all these nice boulders. They brought this berm in, all this landscaping as I talked about. We also have irrigation system to keep this grass beautiful and green in the summertime. Even added a couple of little palmetto trees. There's a great shot looking back up to the house. They also have the lighting out here coming down to the water in the evening. It is solar lighting, so this all lights up. It's beautiful. Whoa! Power and water, watch that step. It'll slide on you. They've got over 300 feet of waterfront down here, so there'll never be anything else in this cove on this side, which makes it really a great swimming area. They've got a nice, retaining wall right on the shoreline with riprap in place. And again, the same type of surface that we're looking at here, the TimberTech type feel on this dock. It's, the dock is, extra raised ceiling here, which is great. You've got the lift that we talked about. A lot of little things. I mean, like this trash can holder, you don't see that often on docks. You've got the storage box over here, and the water depth is very deep. So, great place here because we're just off. Not only that, but we're just off the main, one of the main areas here. They're kind of tucked back in this cove, so it's going to be very safe to swim. This also makes it very easy to get down to the water, a little step down. Got lights, and I mean, everything's set to go here. Well, let's head on up now to the shed. I want to show you the storage shed. All right, another shot overlooking the yard down to the dock area. We also, as you'll see over here on the right side, bottom of the house, they also have some extra storage area in the crawl space on that side. But again, this is great. To have a shed, again, a lot of developments are not going to allow this kind of thing. But again, because of the situation of where this location is of this particular home, they do allow this. And this is great, whether you need a workshop or just more storage space, but certainly extremely handy. Have a shed kind of like this at my house, and it makes a world of difference just to have areas to put things. Step back out, see the dual system, so it's a multi-zone unit, and again, with over an acre, you've got a lot of property around here. Let's walk over towards the grass area on this side. One thing, as you can see, they've got solar lights all out here, so at night it really lights up this area. But what a great place if you have small kids, or even if this is your final destination and maybe grandkids down the road. You've got a lot of area for the children to play and deal with on the outside. So again, great. The other thing I would say is, because of the extended lot going this direction, the closest properties will be Stone Ledge over here on that side, so you get a lot of privacy on this side of the house as well. So if you have any interest in this home, give us a call at 800-682-9098. It is absolutely fantastic. I mean, immaculate clean. There's really nothing to be done on this house. It is absolutely ready to go. So if you have any interest, make sure you give us a call, set up that appointment soon, because I don't think this one will last long. Enjoy the aerial video, and that'll really give you a good feel of just where we're located.